In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reference cells in other sheets. If you've ever worked in a spreadsheet with multiple tabs, this is a really useful skill to know. Referencing cells from another sheet allows you to pull information into your current worksheet without retyping anything manually. That helps reduce mistakes, keeps your data connected, and makes your workbook much easier to manage. To begin, click the cell where you want the data to appear. This is the location where the referenced value will be displayed. Once that cell is selected, type an equals sign. The equals sign tells the spreadsheet that you are about to enter a formula, rather than regular text. After that, go down to the bottom of your screen and click the tab for the other worksheet that contains the data you want to use. This is an important part of the process, because you are now telling the spreadsheet that the information will come from a different sheet, not the one you are currently on. Once you are on the correct worksheet, click the specific cell you want to reference. If you need more than one cell, you can also click and drag to highlight a range. This is helpful if you are building a formula that uses multiple cells together. As you select the cell or range, the spreadsheet will automatically create the reference for you, which makes it much easier and more accurate than typing everything by hand. When you've selected the correct cell or range, press Enter on your keyboard to complete the formula. The spreadsheet will return you to your original sheet, and you should now see the linked value appear in the cell you started with. One helpful thing to remember is that this creates a live reference. That means if the original data changes in the other sheet, the value in your current sheet will update automatically. This is especially useful for reports, summaries, and dashboards where information needs to stay current. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you selected the correct worksheet and cell before pressing Enter. Even a small mistake in the reference can pull in the wrong data. This is one of the simplest ways to connect information across a workbook. And once you get comfortable with it, it can save you a lot of time when organizing spreadsheet data. Thanks for watching.